Third quarter, 40th division. Siginon versus LGU. Valentine's Cup Season 2. Jetball pa. Barondo, wala. May limit. To Abolincia. Limit. Foul.
Number 6 foul.
Number 6 foul. Timeout LGU. Inbound by Pagala. Kamanga. Abolincia. LGU. Pagala, tumira. Kaliwa, wala. Rebound by Laloy. Bagong foul. To free throws by Laloy Bagon. First throw. Yes, pasok. Second throw. Pasok again. 2 for 2 by Laloy Bagon. Rebound by Pagala. Pass to Abolincia. Pass to limit. Abolincia tumira ng press. Wala. Yes, basket. Follow up shot. Intercepted. Bubul pa. Yes, Barondo. Outlet pass to Laloy. Yes, lace up with the right hand. Good, Porto. Jed ball pa. Back to Jed. Ball pa again. Gala. Abolincia. 10 seconds. Foul. Back to the ball game, third quarter. Jed ball pa, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Pagala. Pass to Laloy. Foul. First throw by Laloy Bagon. Yes, pasok. Second throw. Pasok again. 38-22 ang score in favor of LGU. Ball pa. Barondo. Pumasok. Wala. Rebound by Laloy. To limit. Limit. Place up with the right hand. No good. Rebound by Bulpa. Bulpa. Nagmamadali. Tuloy-tuloy. Madalunot. Pass to limit. Limit. Crossover. Pass to Abolincia. Kawala. To Bulpa. Pass to Bulpa. Bulpa to Bulpa. Wala. Rebound by Laloy Bagon. To limit. Pass to Abolincia. Abolincia backshot. Wala. Na-recover ni Bulpa. Back to Bulpa. Yes. Bulpa to Bulpa. 2 points. Abolincia. Isolation. Foul. Abolincia. First throw. Wala.
No basket. LGU. Last 1 minute.
Tubol pa. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Tubol pa again. Tapos. Habulin siya. Last touch.
Shot clock.
Last 14 seconds. Tuguarino. Nag-pick. Pumasok. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Laloy. Pass to limit.
30 seconds.
Tumira, wala. Rebound by Abarundo. Sige nun. Pasok, tuloy-tuloy. Foul by
3 seconds na lang.
Rumi Makatimpag.
13.6 seconds.
Guarino, tubol pa. Tumira. Wala. Makatimpag. Pass to limit. 5 seconds. Yes! Porto. Time.
Third quarter pa lang.
Time for the third quarter. Tumira si Rep.
24, napulo na lang.
34-24 in favor of LGU Salcedo.
Out.